Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 19th of November 2021. Taking a look here at Bitcoin and what we should pay attention to as we transition into the weekend. There's this kind of a move wasn't really unexpected. I've talked about the Gann death cycle several times in other cryptocurrencies, specifically Ethereum, I believe, the 7-week, 49 to 52 day cycle where Gann wrote that, anything that moves up in that time frame typically faces some type of strong, immediate corrective move or trend change. The likelihood of this drop occurring was certainly increased because of the bodies of the weekly candlesticks and the gap in the Tenkan-Sen. So you had a big, likelihood that things were about to come down. And, the Tenkan-Sen is sitting here at 54,000. We'll just say 54K. Bitcoin's likely to head down there. But then when you look at the volume profile, so the price action between 54,000 and 50,000, quite thin. Even though you look at the trading range here, there's been a lot of candlesticks that have traded in that value area, but for whatever reason, there hasn't been a ton of volume traded in it. So if it dips below 54K, it should have a pretty swift trip down to 50K, which is right where the weekly Kijun-Sen is at. And I think that's might be where you find the low, but even lower, folks, even lower. Let's go to we're looking at 2021, and I want to make sure we're starting with the right week there. Okay, so looking at 2021, the volume point of control is at, this is so weird that it's there, but 33,517. That's the point of control. But the volume node here is really thick. It's really thick between 33 and 40K. Then when you look at where the Senko span B is at, this is probably where we're going to see it hit at some point here. When you look at I'll get rid of the volume profile. We don't need to look at that right now. When you look at that volume profile, how thick it was between 33 and 40K, then you look at Senko span B, which is the strongest area of support and resistance. And then you look at the slope of the RSI here. You look at the composite index coming off of these extremes and the percent B dropping back down below 0.8. 54 and 50K might not hold. It may come down to that 40K zone. All hail the God Emperor of Mankind, by the way. Little Warhammer 40K there. So just be aware of that as we're moving on, that 50K may not be the thing that holds it up. It may have to come all the way back down to 40K. That would represent, from the most recent new all-time high, 46% wipe, which, by the way, totally normal for Bitcoin. Totally normal for a 46% wipe. And anybody who's a long-term bull, that would be like a Christmas present. So everybody should be thrilled if that happens. Anyways, that does it for me. I hope you guys have all had a good week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Look forward to speaking with you all on Monday. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.